Hey, Jim Parr here, and we got some exciting news. Every year, High Level does its Black Friday sale, and they only do it once a year, and it's for this week long during the Thanksgiving Cyber Monday week. And we're going to give you our masterclass for $1 per month for the first 3 months, and along with this 50% off for the first 3 months of Go Highlevel. So what that means is you're getting, and we've got a link below to get this whole special below. So with the packages here, you get 50% off whichever one you go with. So let's just explain these real quick and run through these. So normally this one is $97 a month. So you would normally pay $291 for 3 months, but you're only going to pay $146 for the first 3 months. And basically it's unlimited users, unlimited contacts. You can set up 2 sub accounts. So if you've got a business with 2 locations, or basically an agency and 1 client, or a dentist in another location, you could use this account here. So right now you get 50% off, and that's through Cyber Monday. The other one is the agency account. So this is not just for marketing agencies, and some people promote it as marketing agencies, but this is a great level to set up unlimited sub accounts, white label it to whatever your brand is, and have basic API access, and that's 50% off. So let me just explain that. If you're a roofing company and you've got a program and you are selling it to other roofing companies, you would have unlimited sub accounts to put them under those sub accounts, and you could sell that at $200 a month or $400 a month, and you're only paying after 3 months $297. But this program right now is 3 months, so you normally would pay $891. You get it for $446. If you ramp up to the Pro, we've been using the Pro for a couple years. It's normally $497 a month, and it's just worth it to go in and see what you can do with it, because this is really where you could take this agency account and ramp it up to an unlimited software as a service account. And what I was explaining with the roofing companies, or you're doing lead generation and you've got your own system, this is where you could configure those SaaS settings and have your own packages and rebill all the email, rebill all the hosting and everything else with that. And so right now you would normally pay almost $1,500 a month, and you're getting it for $746 a month. So all the links are below if you're interested in getting this once a year, and I guarantee you it's once a year, because High Level does not do any other specials any time of the year after that. This is going on right now. And as I said, you get my Academy for $1 per month during that time frame. And it's got 28 modules in it. So it's what we use for our agency and helping businesses grow. So we got laying the foundation for your business. That's everything from setting up the business name, the logo, to getting your tax documents, explaining how to file your corporation. We tell you how to do your sales and point A to point B. We always say pain to glory. If you can take these steps, you can sell anybody on anything. And so we go through the weekly planner, organizing your life, and then we go into a lot of different stuff, even the automation stuff here. So you'll get all those trainings for $1 per month. Along with this, this will just help you fast track your business and take all the questions out, and all the confusion, all the questions. We have set that up this year. It's new videos, so it's really up to date, and we keep adding to it. So Look forward to having you on board, and let me know if I can help you with anything. We do have some snapshots in that course, which are your templates, and that's all inclusive in there. So, and we'd be happy to share any other snapshots that we have with you and to help you fast track. So enjoy the special. I hope you take advantage of it, because you're going to have to wait till next year to get the next one. So thanks for watching.